To make this doll, we're going to cut fabric that's 10 cm high by 1.5 cm long, just regular fabric. Then we fold it here. Fold it in half here. See, bring both parts together really neatly and let's baste everything. Put the little pin in, see?
And let's bast all the way to the end.
It's easy, it's quick, and it's beautiful. I basted everything. I'm using kite string because it's stronger. Now we're going to fix it here. Look, adjust this gathering. Let's tighten it here so it measures 20 centimeters. Look at this. Measure here with the measuring tape. See, 20 centimeters. Make a little stitch here to finish it off. Adjust the gathering here. So it looks like this, see? More or less, right? Keep it all even so it looks nice, look. So it doesn't get more gathered just to the side. This part here, see, that we didn't fold, will be the center of the flower. Look, so I'm thinking here, for those who don't have a strip like this, if you only have scraps, if you don't have a long strip of about 1.5 meters, just join the fabric together and it'll work too. Like I say, get creative. Look, it's gonna be like this. See, everything nice and neat here. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue here and join this part here too. See? I cut a 9 cm circle and I'm going to make a yo-yo to finish the bottom of this rose so it will look even prettier. The yo-yo is ready. We put hot glue here, look, right on the edge. Put plenty in the middle too. There you go, it's finished. Look how beautiful this rose turns out. We can get creative, right? We can make other crafts. To make the head, I cut a 9 cm circle. I'm going to baste all the way around and fill it with stuffing. To make the hair, I cut 20 centimeter strands. To make the bangs, I wrap the yarn around my finger 6 times. Tie it here in the middle. Cut the tips. I'm making this little doll to hang on the door or the doorknob. So I'm going to put a little ribbon here, look.
Guys, this little flower here, there's a step-by-step tutorial for it here on the channel.
But you can decorate your little doll however you like best. I'm going to draw the little face with a Micron 005 pen. Guys, look how cute! Look how adorable! It's easy to make! If you like this video, like and share it!